Hello everyone, this is a set of 10 quiz questions in the AI field for users who have some level of education in AI. You have 15 seconds to guess the correct answer of each answer. If you are a beginner, please check the quiz video for beginners in the details section of this video to see that you are up to the challenge. At the end of the video, please write down in the comments section how many answers you answered correctly, so in the next video I can adjust the difficulty level based on your overall rating. Now, let's start. What is the bias-variance trade-off? What is the purpose of an activation function? How to deal with imbalanced datasets? What is regularization and why is it used? Which is a reinforcement learning algorithm? What's the difference between precision and recall? What are CNNs typically used for? What is backpropagation? purpose of a confusion matrix? Which is a common dimensionality reduction method. As mentioned in the beginning, please write down in the comments section how many answers did you answer correctly, then like and subscribe. Finally, we have a good course about the topic if you want to register. I will leave its link in the details section as well. Then, you can watch another video from our channel that will appear in front of you soon.